Hello, my name is Craig and we're going to have a look at our newest version of the Divi Custom Post type plugin. Our plugin lets you take custom post types created by you and display them in Divi pages just as you would the Divi blog module. This tutorial covers a whole process to make sure we cover the little quirks that can catch out even the most seasoned users. We will install our plugin, install a separate plugin to create those post types, create some content, and then use our plugin to display that content in Divi. So let's get started. First thing we need is a fresh WordPress install. We'll load our plugin. Go to upload, go to browse, pop in a zip file and install it. We'll activate that plugin. Okay, now we need another plugin, the Custom Post Type UI. And it's none of those. That's because it's post space type. There we go. We'll install that. 1 million active users. Active installations. And activate that. On the left up pops a couple of extra options. CPT UI is what we're after. Let's create a custom post type that we'll use and some taxonomies for it. We'll start by making movies. We'll populate the labels, and before we hit add post type, we'll head down and switch the hierarchical option. This just makes it easier, we find, in the creation of the custom post types later on. Change that to true, and then we head down to the end and add the post type. Now that post type has taxonomy, so we need to create a taxonomy for it. So this movie has actors. We'll populate some labels, and we want to attach that to the movie's custom post type we've created. Before we add taxonomy, head on down, do the same thing. Hierarchical true, if you see it, call it. There it is. Okay, and we'll add the taxonomy. Before we leave here, the next thing we need to do is pop back into post types, edit the post type up in the tab here. Make sure we select our custom post type movies, swing down to the bottom and make sure that actors is selected. And we'll save the post type. Okay, that's all that done. Now we need some content. Hop into my movies, let's make a movie. An oldie but a goodie, we'll pop in Moneyball. Pretty self-explanatory. We need to add some actors, so we'll add an actor to the movie and an image to go with it. Yes, we do want to publish. Okay, so we have some content. Now let's have a look at what our plugin does. We'll create a new page. Add ourselves a heading. And here we go, Divi Custom Post Type plugin. So we need to select the movie custom post type, and then we're going to display movies with actors including Brad Pitt. And then we have it. This is displayed initially in the grid type format, but there is full screen option available as well. we have a lot of options available here. So let's see, there's the full screen. So heading above, content below is the start, and here we have heading below, content below, but all of this is changeable. So we can switch on and off the featured image, display the content if we want, change from the content to the excerpt. We can read more text, we can change the text of read more text. And then down to the post meta. So if you have advanced custom fields, we can use those as well to display. We can display the taxonomy's terms. So you see Brad Pitt popped up down there. And you can also display the limiters. So you can change the pipe all the way through to whatever you like. Get rid of that pipe, double colon, there we go. That is it, simple as that. So now you can display custom post types in the Divi builder just as you would the Divi module. So jump on and find out where we sell them and grab yourself a copy. Thanks for watching.